Okay, y'all, so I traced it. I'm kind of scared. I don't think we're gonna see. I don't know. Look. Hey everybody.
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Candace, and today, as you can tell in the title, I am picking up a new hobby. So yeah, I decided to get into rug tufting. So I was just scrolling through TikTok and Instagram, minding my business like I always do. And I saw all of these videos on tufting. I seen people posting the pictures of the rugs that they made. Sorry y'all, the Invisalign. The Invisalign is giving me a heavy lisp right now. But anyway, so yeah, I was seeing all these pictures and all these videos. And I was like, yo, I want to try that. It looks cool. It looks like a great hobby. So this is going to be my first time rug tufting by myself. Because getting into like the rug tufting hobby isn't cheap. So before I spent my money getting all the equipment and supplies and stuff, I wanted to make sure I liked it and I could handle the machine or whatever. And so my boyfriend took me to a rug tufting class in Atlanta. And from that class, I was like, okay, I'm ready to do this. I'm excited. I'm ready to spend my money, do whatever. Like, I'm ready. So I decided to record my very first time doing it by myself. I think I got the hang of it during the class. It was easy. It was very simple. I got the hang of it, and I was like done with my rug. It was a very simple rug. As you saw, I had a smiley face. I was done with that in like 2.5 hours. It was very simple, very easy, very fun, and I just hope I can do all that by myself and not run into any problems or issues. So here is the frame that I'm using to tuft my rug. I got it from Tuft the World, and I'll link everything down below. But I actually got a rug tufting kit. So it comes with the frame itself, which you can see the outline of it. And it's just like these wooden pieces that my brother, put together for me. But yeah, it comes with the frame. It comes with cloth. This is like the color that you use to put the rug on it. It comes with about like enough for 4 small rugs is what they said. So I should be able to get 4 rugs out of that. And then it also comes with the rug tufting gun, which I'll show you in a little bit. And then I got these clamps from just Home Depot to make sure that it stays, because you have to apply a lot of pressure when you're tufting. So you want to make sure that your frame is sturdy. So I got this from Home Depot. And then this is my yarn that I'm using, mostly brown, black, and red. I kept it simple for my first one. And this is my yarn winder. It just makes it easier for the yarn to come out of the gun instead of having to do it like this way. It just makes it easier for you to wind it or whatever. And I'll show you a clip of how I did that. This is my yarn winder, thing of yarn. You basically just put it in here. There's this little spinner thing, and you spin it, and it winds the yarn for you, so then it'll end up looking like that. And then this right here is for the yarn. So as you can see, this has already been, I guess, wound or whatever. So I just have it right here. And then you also have these extra 2 hooks up here to run your yarn through so it won't get like tangled up in the gun. This is the projector that I'm using. I got it from Amazon. Like I said, I'll link it down below. Because you have to project your images onto the screen. I mean, if you know how to draw, you don't have to, but I don't know how to draw. So I got a projector so I can project it. I'll show you guys in a minute. So yeah, projector from Amazon. And I just used my little selfie tripod from my phone. I just unscrewed the camera mount, my phone mount, and put the projector on there. So like I said before, the first thing you have to do is draw your picture onto the cloth, which is what I'm about to do right now. I don't think you can barely tell because all the lights are on, and I need to turn the lights off for the projector, obviously. But I just chose a very simple picture. Black girl with an afro, some nice lips, like everything is black hair, black shirt, and then brown skin. It's very simple. It's only 2 colors, but I am going to do red for her lips, so it'll be 3 colors. So yeah, I'm keeping it very simple. I'm thinking this would be a fairly easy look to do because there's not a lot of detail. You know, like there's no eyes, ears, like none of that stuff. Like it's very simple. It's mostly her fro is the main thing, and I know I can fill that in easily. So this is the game plan. So I traced it. I'm kind of scared. I don't think we're gonna see. I don't know. Look, let me turn this off. But does that look right to y'all? I feel like I hope I don't mess up her lips. I'm worried about her lips, and I'm worried about the ears. Like I followed it. That was what's in the picture. But this earring is smaller than this earring, and the ear is off. But that's how they had it. Maybe I should just like forget how it was. Just draw my own thing. And that's what I'm gonna do. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. I really hope this comes out good, cause I'm excited. Oh, she looks so cute. Okay. Alright, so now that everything is traced, I am ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and outline first. That's what I learned in the class, the outline first. So I'm just going to outline pretty much everything in black except for her lips. Oh, her hair and everything, her hair and shirt in black. This part, her skin and stuff is in brown, and then the lips in red. But yeah, mostly black, so that's why I already have black right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and go and do that first. So this is the rug tufting gun. If you haven't seen it, it looks like some serious equipment, but it's not that bad. See, I just had to pull the yarn through here, and then I'll be ready to go.
So many things I'm going through. So much that I wanna do. It's starting to become so clear to me. Tomorrow ain't really guaranteed. So many days I thought of you. It's about time you knew the truth. Got to act quickly, you and I. We fall in love, so many reasons why.
Okay, so this is what the rug is looking like from the back. Looks decent. You know, my line work is a little shoddy, but like I said, it's my first rug. But I think, you know, it came out nice. I'm just trying to like look at my technique. Like I said, it did have like a lot of holes that I tried to go in and refill. But I think, you know, for my first time, I did pretty good. And this is what it looks like from the front. I know her lips are a little jacked. You see, I tried my best. It was hard to get those lips. I should have, I didn't think about it afterwards. I just did all red. Then I was like, I should have outlined her lips in black. So then I tried to go through and put the black in there. But because the red was already in there, Ooh, why is it so blown out? Because the red was already in there. It wasn't working. But you know, for the most part, I feel like I did good. Like, you know, it's something. So now what I have to do is take it off of the cloth. One thing I realized is that I put this side too close to the edge. So I'm gonna try my best to cut it out, but I have to remember like to make it smaller this time. Like how much space is on this side, it needs to be on this side too. So yeah, let me try to cut this out. Can barely even see it. Okay, so I just cut her out, but then I remembered that I was supposed to glue the back first. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that now. I'm like gonna lay on the floor and try to glue it because yeah, I was still supposed to glue it while it was in the frame. Oops. Okay, y'all, so I found everything I could to get this thing to lay flat. Got my coasters, remote, you know, just everything. So I got it laying flat. Now I'm about to put the glue on it, but I know next time to remember to glue it first before I take it off.
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you?
Alright, so I glued it down, honey. Them threads ain't going nowhere, hopefully. So yeah, I had to let it dry for 24 hours and then I'll be back.
3 days later.
Now that the carpet adhesive has dried, I'm just folding over the extra fabric and hot gluing it to the back of the rug. Then I'm going to shave the front of the rug and vacuum it.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
Alright guys, so here is the finished result of my very first tufted rug. Y'all see like the mess I have everywhere to go storm. Whole bunch of yarn, lint, clippers, everything is everywhere. But she is done. She is here, my very first one, and I love her. I think she looks so cute. So I don't look a mess, don't worry about that. But yeah, so I am officially done with my very first tufted rug all by myself. I learned some things. I'm trying to still figure some things out. So I'm definitely gonna, you know, just keep doing this hobby so I can get better and better, so that the quality of my rugs can get better, my techniques can get better, and then like hopefully I can turn this into like a side business or something, you know. But I'm happy. I love her. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet, but this is my very first rug. I'm never going to get rid of her. I'm gonna hang her up or something whenever I get my little office, my own office. I'm gonna hang her up or I'm gonna put it somewhere. But I love her. I still have to put the backing on it, like, cause right now the backing is just like what I showed you, like was just me gluing the edges over. But I still have to buy like a rug backing and then like do some spray adhesive and glue that to the back. So I still have to do that, but I have to buy some backing first. So yeah. But other than that, y'all, that is it. What do you guys think? I just think she's so cute. I hate that she's not coming off as like vibrant as in on camera. Like on camera, I don't think like the difference between her skin and the hair, I don't feel like you can really see it that much on camera, but in person, you know, there is a difference. Like I can visibly see like her face, her skin and all that stuff. On camera, I don't think it's showing up that good, but trust me, y'all, she's beautiful. She's a beautiful dark-skinned woman, okay? With luscious hair. And if you have any ideas for a rug, drop them below, because right now I'm just gonna be like on a rug making frenzy. So any ideas, drop them down below. Thank you guys. Bye.